itel A60s price and specs. itel A60s is an available smartphone. Its official price is $79.86. This is 128 gigabytes built-in, 8 gigabytes RAM variant of itel, which is available in various colors. Official price of itel in USD is $79.86. What's new? itel A60s handset with sleek design and high performance. Smartphone manufacturer itel recently unveiled the A60s series of smartphones, which is widely known on the internet nowadays because of its impressive design and performance. The A60s series of smartphones has features such as a long-lasting battery, high-resolution cameras, and a powerful processor that make them attractive to customers. Moreover, its sleek design and vibrant colors make it stand out from other models on the market. In order to achieve such a high resolution of 720x 1612 pixels, itel's new A60s is equipped with a 6.6-inch IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 x 1612 pixels. We are now moving on to the section on cameras. There is no doubt that the 8MP and 2VGA camera sensors on the itel's A60s will provide an unbeatable photography experience. There will be a 5-megapixel selfie camera on the front of the device. The Unisoc SC98631 chipset runs the A60s, along with an octa-core CPU that will make sure the performance of the device is as smooth as possible. There is nothing to worry about how long will it last. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery cell that will keep the user entertained all day without having to charge the device more than once. The itel A60 has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal memory. A dedicated memory card slot will also be available to expand the memory of the phone. So finally, another challenger for Samsung and other companies in the form of the A60s by itel is very near. So let the smartphone wars begin.